I'll be covering how to draw animals. In how to draw animals, I'll be covering how to draw dog, cow, duck, goose, frog, giraffe, hippopotamus, monkey, owl, pigeon, pig, rooster, seahorse.
Yeah, guys, today we're going to learn how to draw a cat. Basically, the cat, we start by drawing the shape oval and an inverted triangle, followed by the letter W, and the body is a flower vase. So, inverted triangle, W, draw the eyes, draw the ears in triangles, and flower vase. Letter Y inside, with the reverse 2 and the number 2 on the sides, followed by its tail. That's it. So you have a cat sitting down. So learn to draw this cat in this position first. The next, I'd like to show you how we can draw the cat in another position. Same. Draw the oval, inverted triangle, letter W, followed by the eyes and the ears, and then draw the body in this position itself. So let me just touch up a little bit with some colors, and that's it. You have the cat. How to draw a cat.
Can have strawberries, papaya, and so on. So with all these videos, I'm sure you are going to have a great time drawing and enjoying the process.